you ever heard of World Dream Day? There are all different kinds of dreams. The dreams you have at night when you sleep. The dreams you have for your future. And the dreams you have for the world. What sort of dreams do you have for yourself? Sometimes I dream that I'll become an astronaut, or a teacher, or an ornithologist. That's someone who studies birds. I love birds. Your dreams can inspire you to learn new things, understand yourself, and help the people around you. World Dream Day is a great opportunity to think about what's important to you and what you want your future and your world to look and feel like. Happy World Dream Day! To enjoy our library of over 300 classroom videos, please visit www.wondergrovesocialskills.com or scan the QR code.